This next product is from Wisesky, and it is their air purifier for pet lovers. It says here that this thing can actually move 1,644 cubic feet of air within your house, and it's specifically designed for cat hair. Now, what does that mean when you design something to be able to pick up cat hair? Well, it has a special filtration on the outside and a cylindrical design that is meant to pick up cat hair and entrap it so that you can clean it out. This is a safety cord because it's 24 volts, 2 amps. If this were to get bit, chewed up, cut, it's not going to be as dangerous as a high voltage cord, which you'll see on other air purifiers. So this uses a cylindrical filter design, and it's actually designed to be seen. So they want you to see all of this, and then it'll actually entrap hair. It does have a hair grabbing system for all your pet hair. This is the manual right here, the WS360. So it's going to come with the machine, the filters that are inside. So there's 2 filters. So you're going to want to push in on these 2 sides here. So there's the 2 sides that are actually indicated. You want to push on that. So there's the top that comes off. This is the cylindrical filter design. Here we go. So it doesn't want you to remove these plastic pieces here. Now there's the base. And again, this has this kind of metal cage design, and it's actually designed that way on purpose. I'm going to go ahead and slide this back down. And then it's going to have a fan that's drawing air through like a vortex. And it slides right here, locks in. So there's the indicator, and then you can go ahead and touch and turn the different fans on. The Wi-Fi is on. There's the different fan mode, and it's already blowing air. I can feel that coming out from the top. It's got a little, like a ring light around the top. That's pretty slick. I can touch it and change the mode. It went from yellow to green. Now it's blowing a lot of air. So this is the Wisesky 460 I have upstairs. I'm going to hit add device. So now it's opening it up, and right now it's on the different speeds that it has. You have the ability to turn the lights on and off, which is pretty cool. Yeah, very neat. And it does have a child lock feature, it looks like, through the app as well, so you can lock your kids out. So there we go. So that was from the Wisesky company. This is their W-CAT, a air filter designed specifically for pet owners, and it's designed to be cleanable to get pet hair out easier, as well as it's going to have HEPA filtration, and it definitely moves plenty of air. So